Hello everyone, today, I'm going to share a very useful video with everyone. We're going to disable almost all ads on your phone. What will this mean? You'll see fewer ads when you launch any app, and various pop-ups with information like trying to persuade you to purchase something will stop appearing. This will definitely have a significant positive impact on your smartphone. First and foremost, you'll reduce the load on your processor, RAM, and the entire Android system. Your phone will run faster, all apps will launch normally, process everything properly, and your phone will, of course, be more user-friendly. There are many benefits to this. We won't be using any special programs, of course. We'll do everything through the default settings using standard methods. So watch carefully, don't miss any important points, and you'll definitely succeed. I'll be showing you on a Xiaomi phone now, but if you have a phone from another manufacturer, like Samsung, Honor, or Huawei, all these settings are very similar. You can simply find them by name in the same way and disable them. So, the very first thing we do is go to the standard settings, look for the section called Applications. All applications. Here at the top, press 3 and click Settings. Here you will have the Receive Recommendations option enabled. You will need to disable it like this. Looking ahead, I will say that absolutely all the settings that I will now show you are all active when you buy the phone, so you are 100% sure that they are all enabled. Next, let's exit completely so that it is clear what we will click next. Settings. Here, use the search and type Desktop. In principle, you don't have to type it all. There it is. Click on the desktop, scroll down a little. And here's the option, Show Suggestions. Disable it. Then come back. Go to Settings again, look for the Passwords and Security, Privacy option. Scroll down a little. Disable the option called Participate in the Customer Experience Improvement Program. Disabled. And a little further down, there are advertising services. Click it, and here you'll find personalized advertising. Disable it. Then exit again. Settings. Look for the item called Privacy. Scroll down and click on Advertising. Here, click Reset Advertising Identifier, Confirm. Here, uncheck Enter Debug Log for ads and click Delete. Delete the advertising identifier. That's it, all you need to do is get a new advertising identifier. Then exit again. Settings, go to Passwords and Security, Access to Personal Data. And here, disable the item called MSA. Click this checkbox, and the permission is revoked. Here, wait 5 seconds and then click Revoke. Click Revoke. The permission is revoked. Look, on some phones it doesn't work the first time. This time everything worked fine, but if it doesn't work for you the first time, try 2, 3, or 4 times, and it will revoke it eventually. Next, MyUI Dayan. Just disable them. These are the 2 bugs responsible for ads on your phone, downloading junk, and so on. Revoke. Now everything has worked successfully. Then exit. Go to Settings, use our search, and type in the word Topics. Go to Topics. There's a little person-like icon at the bottom. Or maybe I have a smiley face now. Click it. Go to Settings. Here you need to disable 2 options. Show Ads and Personalized Recommendations. Disable them. Then exit again so it's clear where we're going. Next, where do we actually have a lot of ads? Of course, in our Play Store, which provides us with all these apps. Click on Google Play Market. Click your avatar on the right side. Manage Apps and Device. Here, click No Malicious Apps Found. Click the gear and disable Scan Apps with Play Protection. This is the first slider. You might also have Send Unknown Apps to Google for Analysis enabled to help improve your security. This should also be disabled. Then exit. Everyone's phone has a default app for music, a music player. On Xiaomi, it's just the music app, and the icon looks like this. Launch it. Even if you don't use it, it still downloads ads to your phone. Tap the sliders on the left side of Settings, then Advanced Settings. There's a hidden option called Show Ads. Disable it, and a little further down, disable Personalized Recommendations. Come back. Next, everyone's phone has a default downloader that downloads information to your phone. More precisely, it downloads what you want. Look at it. It looks like a download arrow. Tap it. Tap 3, then Settings, and turn off the Receive Recommendations slider, then tap OK. Then exit. Everyone has a file manager on their phone, or maybe it's called Explorer. It usually looks like a yellow folder on a white background. If you have a different phone model, it might be a regular app like the one you use to view your photos and so on. Go to Explorer. Click the three bars, Settings, and Information. And uncheck Get Recommendations. Then exit. Find the security icon again, the lightning bolt on a green background. Go to it. Click Settings, then click Clear, scroll down, and check Get Recommendations. Uncheck it, then exit Settings. Use Search here. Type Desktop. You don't have to type it all. It's already found. Click on Desktop. Move it a little lower. And here's the Show Suggestions option. Uncheck it. Then come back. By doing at least these steps, you'll reduce the amount of ads on your phone by about 98 to 99%. This will have a very positive impact on your smartphone's performance. It will become much faster, much more responsive, stop lagging, and start working much better, and everyone will benefit from it. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments, and like.